Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into two powerful AI image upscaling tools, Topaz Gigapixel AI and Magnific AI. Let's break down what each one offers, compare them, and see which is best for your needs. First up, we have Topaz Gigapixel AI. It's a desktop software specializing in upscaling images up to 600% without quality loss. It uses AI models tailored for portraits, landscapes, and anime, excelling at sharpening images and reducing noise. With batch processing and offline functionality, it's perfect for photographers and designers who need high-resolution prints or detailed restorations. Pricing is a one-time $99 purchase, making it cost-effective for long-term use. Next, we have Magnific AI. This online tool enhances resolution and adds creative details to AI-generated images, photos, and illustrations. Its intuitive interface lets you tweak settings like creativity and resemblance, ideal for digital artists and content creators. It supports prompts for customized outputs, but requires an internet connection and operates on a subscription model, starting at around $39 a month. So, how do they stack up? Let's check the comparison chart. Here's the verdict. Gigapixel AI is your go-to for professional photography, large prints, or offline work, offering unmatched value with its one-time fee. Magnific AI shines for creative projects, especially AI art, where you want to add vivid details, but its subscription cost can add up. Choose based on your workflow. Precision for Gigapixel and creativity for Magnific. That's it, guys. Which tool are you picking? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons, and I'll see you in the next video.